for you, sir.
You can wait now.
When some people first sing them now we go tell you say it's okay.
At least one would dance that dance.
When person want to
get somewhere where I go early this morning, I can't dance that they do that. I see this kind of routines. They don't enter my. Yeah, I go enter my. But I just they begin the dance. I say, God, oh my goodness, who don't bomb me? If I know, how can this kind of bad thing come and stay in my memory, even in my subconscious? If I get up to say I want to go to the dance floor, hey, I want to
go to the dance floor. Where did you go yesterday?
No.
Is it to ask Katim?
I don't go anywhere.
Where you go yesterday? After show, Katim, where you go? When you come back 5 o'clock this morning, where you go?
Katim, where you go?
They do.
Hey, where you go?
Go anywhere.
Now, you go. You went to pray.
I go pray.
You go pray. For future.
I pray for all of us. So I pray for you. Pray for Exhibit. And is so fun, so we could blow, all those dollars and pounds. Maybe
why you not call us? We could gotta go pray.
Thank you. Why you not call us? We gotta go pray for ourselves.
Women's prayer.
Oh.
Anyway, in case you don't join us on top of the night show, we will discuss matter of 2 sisters. One at 36 years old, one at 29 years old. Ogidinta. The man, their father name na Ihioma Ogidinta. One at Flora Ogidinta, and the other one named Chie Doziem.
Maybe say the man maybe he don't do waka.
No, you see, maybe the man
I know they justify what they do, but I hear they talk say maybe he don't do much, or maybe they feel say na that in waka pium na him make him their mama die.
Maybe that thing vex them.
Maybe the woman no fit contain the high blood pressure and all those things as they associated with man to go outside and be all around town.
Anyway, as I talk, one at 36 years old, will be Flora Ogidinta, and then the second one at Chie Doziem, 29 years old, Ogidinta. Then two tie their papa for inside the house, tie a rope. Cane this man a rope. Plug cane.
I wish
this one plug, this one plug. I
wish
I know
go far for age, because if the pikin na 30 something.
If you're not 36 years old, one at 29 years old, I mean say the man go down there like 60 something or 70 something.
Early 60s or late 50s.
Let's say they flog this man, pia pieces.
KMC they very violent today.
Wait, who go come to this KMC matter? Anyway, from Lagos, good evening.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How is you?
I is fine.
Good. Now, first time where they call us ladies?
Yes.
Wait, make I give you a welcome.
Nedu.
Messi, ngwa.
Hello, Tati.
Messi, no, they do
Tati,
answer.
hello, good evening.
Hello, no, they do answer. They do sometimes. In head, not there in the right place.
How about there?
Yeah. Yo, you know, when I say go, because I don't
easy be.
Hello, good evening.
How was?
Fine, work, fine.
Which work? No, which of the work?
Okay.
Not be work you there.
Which of the work you they ask? Make we know.
They do not put words for my mouth.
Okay. My sister, we know what you they ask. But
anyway, what they ask?
My sister, happy for the namoto ba moto.
They do. I
know before.
Oh, that place hold up for the one.
Oh, nah, Papa.
Come back.
So that place now, Papa. So Messi, I beg Chukma for this matter.
I beg that thing where those students do, they know they do them. No matter what.
Yes.
They know they do them. But if God forbid, no be me.
Okay.
If I find out say my mama or my papa they cheat on any of them.
Yes.
What I go do? I will call the person. Talk to them.
Okay.
But person will born you can't get the mind. Can't tire. The same, and I saw his children go tie them now. But I not support what the man do. Okay. But for them to get that mind, tie their papa.
Yes.
Evil spirit they disturb them.
Messi, thank you.
Thank you.
On a good night.
I bet this your dress code now. Waiting that they call them they do.
Is there waiting?
This your swag. Waiting that they call them.
Oh, swag, this swag. No.
Okay.
You know, like
good night.
Good night, Messi.
Pastor Uchendu from Makoni. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, my brother. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How is you, sir?
Fine, no problem. Thank God.
I beg, if you took math for this matter.
Yes, that's what I'm saying now. That the man should go and marry and have his own wife so that he will stop cheating.
Okay. Pastor, your TV there too loud.
No, it's not loud. It's not loud.
Because would they overhear them here? Go toilet. Go toilet.
I'll remove the volume. I said that the man should go and marry and have his wife so that he will stop cheating.
Okay. But what did the girls do? Is they okay?
What the children did is bad. They cannot take the law into their hands. The man is an adult.
Okay.
And being a man, he needs to have his wife. And if his wife is late, he should not marry another wife.
Okay. Oh, no,
so
thank you
the children should not be an interferer to the man's progress.
Okay.
So they should not marry another wife.
All right, Pastor, thank you very much. Hello, good evening. Hello. Confidence.
I have confidence in you.
Oh, Lord. I have confidence in you. Jesus. Oh, I have confidence in you. Confidence. Watch out. Oh, Lord. I have confidence in you. We have lost confidence in this color. Anyway, back to Twitter. On top Twitter, KMC, where Katim Squeeze Face give you small. KMC say, if na me catch either my parent they cheat, na to put rat poison for their food. The girls not flog the power well, I swear. My brother, you are wicked. God will judge you.
You are very wicked.
You are very wicked.
Why are you so
anyway, in your mind, now you talk. And then the still talk say, for mama and papa to cheat, automatically it means say their products too go to cheat.
So now cheating
family. Their blood is a cheatious family.
Yeah, KMC, that you are brought up, what do very suspect?
And then Mike in Waba say oil. Which oil be this? I go confront the man first, then tell her make him leave my mama on a debt. From Kaduna, good evening.
They take that threaten people.
Kakaki. Yeah? Kakaki.
Cats.
Hello. Hello. Kaka.
Kiki.
Cats.
Network.
Kaka.
Network. How can you frozen in the network?
What did they call Kaka?
Kaka. Nah.
I don't know, Nedu. What's it in say be? What's it be?
Na trumpets.
What's it be?
Anyway, hello, good evening. Hello? Nancy, good evening. Nancy? Sister Nancy?
Yeah, hello. Good evening.
How is you?
I just find how na there now.
Would they find my sister? Hey! Confidence! Please give back the confidence to our phone line. Because our phone line now don't lose confidence. It don't lose self-esteem. Our phone
because
number
because
of your call.
Come make a dog.
Come make a dog.
Come make a dog.
From Abuja, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How is you?
I'm fine, Edo. How are you?
We did fine. How today?
Kasim, baby.
Yes, with love.
How you doing?
See us here on with it.
Easy, our internet love.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
We did fine.
Edu, you see for this matter, ba?
Yes, Maggie.
My papa was there alive.
Okay.
I know one girlfriend. And that time I did do my HND.
Okay.
All of them, they give me something. I know they send them all. But one we go do strong, they go. But if I catch my mama, oh my wow. Forget that more. Wow. Man need them. No be say this thing. Man need them. I even get friend they be saying mama, they cheat. Now me they tell them, say call your papa. May they be say one day your papa will just wake up, he go die.
Why
but if woman they do it, it no make sense. But if man do it, it makes sense. It's normal.
It's normal.
You want to tell me say the day, you know they change on chain for outside.
Me.
They do.
My sister.
I they talk to you.
I cover myself with Uzu Zamaka aka Uzuntim Boogie. Thank you. Maggie. Hello, Maggie.
See as I just quiet.
From Lagos, good evening.
Everything when she
hello.
I just
Odita, good evening.
Good evening.
Beg, Odita, chook mouth for this matter.
Okay. Nedu.
Odita.
Nedu Nkata.
Odita, Namo.
Katim, are they full now?
Odita, now your first time to call us with this.
I dey enjoy una well.
Now your first time to call with this.
Now because of una show. Because of una show and because of Ogbolo show and as e dey hot, I can't go buy StarTimes.
Hey, yeah, thank you.
I've been get DSTV, but I can't buy StarTimes put for inside my room.
Thank you. Odita, now your first time where you call me this?
Now my first time, but not do that juju for me. No ring that juju. Not ring juju for me.
Okay, you don't want juju, you want foreign one.
Foreign one.
Okay, more do foreign one for you.
Yeah.
Auditor, you are welcome to primary 5B. God bless you, sir. You want to continue? Chook your mouth for this matter.
Okay. The first one when I want chook my mouth put.
Yes.
Nah, that woman will carry pikin
the threat.
They say one threat for Buhari. Buhari not send them.
He not send them.
Make them start to the suffer children. I not like that kind of thing.
You understand?
That kind of thing, they vex me. They irritate me.
Okay.
I don't like all those things. And they don't do overdo them.
I did tell you.
Mean, now?
Police
I go carry pikin say he want try to go north. What that one mean?
4-month-old baby for that matter.
Then secondly, the action of those children it is very bad because Bible say make you honor your papa, make you honor your mama.
Yes.
So that your days go long.
Long, yeah. Anyway, Odita, thank you very, very much. This place is smell. Who mess? Is it between mess?
Where I go mess? Who sit down near you?
Can't it be a mess?
No.
But that's how we go begin to smell everybody bonbon now.
Oh, come smell now.
Nidu?
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
How is you, my brother?
I'm very fine. You?
James.
Good evening.
Evening,
James, would they hear you?
James.
I think this is James, so.
James, we know say now
We
you.
know you. From far.
Okay, you know me.
We know you now.
You reach us.
Not be you.
Yes.
Okay, James, wait. Now t-shirt you wear now, Abby.
Yes, I'm hello.
Hey, we know you now. Oh, yeah, took mouth for this matter.
Yeah, this matter when I put for Ghana, normal thing,
Yes.
If the man do
Yes.
that will not be the issue. Because normal thing when we say some of the people don't old.
Yeah.
Now that thing they keep them alive. So if the man do I not to see and say it's bad, but if woman do na bad thing because
Why?
right for time for who Bible says man they married more than 3, more than 4 for Bible.
What is good for the goose
Okay.
is good
Now
for the
this
gander.
new life when we they live when because they say now one man, one woman.
Yeah.
So if the man do no problem, I not see anything about him. No, say man keep and say na man right man.
All right. So, but what did the daughters do? It makes sense or it not make sense?
What did he say? Come back again.
What did the daughters do? As they tell their papa beat them, he could so.
Like as he not good now. That one would have fuck up now.
Hey.
You-
Thank you, Odita. James, thank you very much. Good from Lagos. Good evening, Pesha. Pesha.
Hello, Nedu.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes, I'm fine. Do you waste my credit? You are Kasim.
Sorry, not devil walk.
Sorry.
I know where devil day. Devil no, it's not devil walk. I know where devil day.
Where devil day?
In the
Devil day
bottomless
for la
pit.
look they spoke together this time around because when they fall.
It dey Meduguri.
I said devil day for la look.
Oh, it don't say for la luku.
Yes, they smoke cigar.
Oh yeah, Pepe, took mouth for this matter.
Hello?
Yeah, we dey hear you took mouth for this matter.
For the matter on the ground, actually, I've caught my dad cheating on my mom before. Hello, are you with me?
Yeah, we dey hear you. We are with
Where
you.
were you?
So, I didn't tell my mom, actually. I didn't tell my mom.
So what do you do?
You know, because my dad told me that if I tell my mom, she would die. You know?
How old you be that time when you believe your papa like that?
I was like
let me say 11 to 14 years old.
Okay.
He said, if you try and tell your mom, she's going to die.
Okay, and
She'll
you're not
die
going to
of
tell your
heart
mama?
attack. So because I don't want to lose my mom, I didn't tell anybody.
You can't leave and make it a...
Yes, Hannah. If you are doing, would you let that to happen?
So your mama no can know, say in the go outside.
Pepe, thank you very much, my dear. Thank you.
All right.
From Abia, good evening.
Hello.
Emmanuel.
Yes.
Emmanuel, neighbor. Emma, took mad for this matter.
Okay. Yes. Hello.
Your TV dey too loud, Emma.
It's Emmanuel.
Hey, Emmanuel, we know. God be with you.
Okay. Concerning the matter where on the street,
Yes.
nobody has the right to cheat each other.
Okay.
Whether man or woman, nobody has the right.
Okay.
Because we human beings, we have equal rights
Yeah.
in the family.
Okay.
So anybody where they cheat,
Yes.
supposed to suffer for the character where he or she displays.
Okay. Okay.
So it's no good for anybody to cheat each other.
Emma, thank you very much.
For the children where flog the
father,
papa,
yeah.
that one is a big offense. Get the way where the person is supposed to do them.
Okay.
Not to flog the papa.
Okay.
Even the Bible where we they read, support the
bad kind thing. All right.
That be my take for that.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good evening, Kakaki from Kaduna. Good evening.
Hey, Nedu, good evening.
Kakaki, how far?
Fine, I see una dey roll like egg roll.
My brother, we are rolling like egg roll.
I'm boss.
Katina trumpet dey yarn.
You know him? Katim, you
Hello?
know him? Hey!
I don't know him
So
now.
you don't carry your Matago Kaduna?
No, I don't know him.
Hey!
Kakaki, I know him.
Kakaki!
So how would I do?
We dey fight Kakaki. I bet you come out for this matter.
But honestly, about what happened to that papa and those two girls, but now because the father dey poor.
Because of the papa dey
Poor. Because if to say the father dey rich, they carry them go Yankee anyhow, they no go get time to beat her.
Mama, Kakaki, thank you.
I never expect this kind of answer.
I never expected it.
I don't even know where they go with it.
But you know say true. If the papa get money, fear not gonna let them tie the papa. Anyway, make we go market. We dey come back now. Still on top the next show.